Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to link your bank account to Coinbase Wallet. So first thing you're going to need to do is just open your Coinbase Wallet and log into your wallet. From here, you can see an add to cash, so just tap on that. And as you can see in here, I have already added a bank account. So since we want to add a new bank account, so you just have to tap on that little arrow on the corner and tap on the add a payment method. Now, once you tap on that, you can actually see a lot of options from here. So just choose the bank account from the very top and then just tap on continue. And then again, just go ahead and tap on continue. And now you will be redirected here. So just put your phone number from here. And then once you're done putting your phone number, just go ahead and tap on continue again. And as you can see in here, you can see a lot of options. You can choose whatever bank you have or you want to link your Coinbase wallet. And also, if you want to search your bank account, you can just tap on the search engine and just search your bank account that you're using or you want to link your Coinbase. And once you tap your chosen bank account, you just have to submit all these information that you're asked. And that's pretty it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.